There are certain herbs which helps in hormonal balance of your body and improves your fertility. Let's discuss those herbs. Number 1. Nigella sativa is also known as kalonji or fennel flower. Its flowers produce tiny black antioxidant-rich seeds. Researchers are investigating Nigella seeds' protective and therapeutic effects in those living with polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. PCOS is a disorder associated with abnormal hormone levels. Among other symptoms, in women of reproductive age, hormones are chemical messengers that help your cells communicate and trigger various actions. They are the bedrock of your body's endocrine system, which regulates growth, reproduction, metabolism, temperature, and even your mood. Oxidative stress, infertility, and endocrine disorders like thyroid disease are just a few conditions that can result from hormonal imbalances. Number 2. Ashwagandha, also known as winter cherry, Indian ginseng, or Withenia somnifera, is an evergreen shrub from the nightshade family. It's highly regarded in herbal medicine, with many ashwagandha supplements, teas, and root powders widely available. Of thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, which is produced by your pituitary gland and used to assess thyroid conditions, found that taking 600 mg of concentrated ashwagandha extract daily improved TSH levels. Number 3. Black cohosh root. It's a popular supplement made from the ground roots of the black cohosh plant. It's typically taken as a capsule, an extract, or tea. A few studies have found black cohosh to relieve symptoms of menopause more effectively than a placebo or no treatment at all. Number 4. Chasteberry. Studies have looked at the herb's ability to relieve menopausal symptoms and help treat infertility issues and PCOS. Number 5. Marjoram. Marjoram and other types of herbal shrubs of the Oreganum genus, such as oregano, have been used in traditional medicine for various ailments. Early research on marjoram in humans and animals has evaluated how it could reduce stress and help people with PCOS. For example, a recent study found that rats induced with PCOS had improved levels of estradiol, a hormone produced by the ovaries, after being treated with marjoram extract. Other ways to balance your hormones. Medicinal herbs are just one of many treatment options for hormonal imbalances. Herbs may be best used for balancing hormones when paired with other evidence-based therapies. One has to need to follow the following instructions for hormones balance. Eat a healthy diet. Drink green tea. Get regular exercise. Get enough sleep. Avoid endocrine disruptors.